June 10th. If you guys got this type of lock right here and you're trying to drill it out, quick set locks, all you gotta do is just peel this piece off right here. This one right here where it says the quick lock. Just get something like a flathead and just peel it out. All you gotta do is just pop this out right here. Like it's real thin. It's right there. Just gotta drill it out. Make it easy. Ooh, like butter. Boom, easy peasy. But it's still gonna be hard to probably. Yeah. Move it. There you go. Boom. Ooh. Let's see. Can we? So yeah. So we'll just put a new lock. Everything new. Probably line up the plate right here to this one. Just make sure everything is closed and good to go. There it is.